Hi viewers, welcome to the another edition of the channel Navodaya Master. Today in this edition we are talking about the general guidelines of official letter writing. Letter writing is an obligatory item, it is required wherever we go. So one should know the proper guidelines of official letter writing. I am talking about the different steps involved in proper official letter. First step, sender's address. It comes because of computer system. Everything comes to the left side of the page. The top, no need to write from to, these are all outdated. The top you write sender's address, sender's address, the top. So that is when you write sender's address, that is understood, oh this is sender's, this is from. So clear. First step, sender's address at the top. Next, date we have to write. Next step is subject. Suppose question is about replacement of TV. Suppose you purchase a new TV, it is sudden within warranty period it is under repair. So you have to write, you may write subject, request for the replacement of TV. So subject, because that will give a clear idea what is the letter about it. It will give a keynote. So next step is to address. To whom you are writing the letter, whether to the dealer or whether to the assistant engineer or chief editor. So it is based on the question. So to get you will get all this guidance from the question paper. When you read the question, you will get an idea. Then we go for body of the letter. Body of the letter, two things are there: content, expression. Content, nothing but matter. Expression, how we express. So generally three things are involved: introduction, explanation and conclusion. So you have to, that body of the letter, generally we say salutation, respected sir, sir, madam. After that only we write the body. So remember, there is no uniformity in the body of the letter. So it varies from person to person. What matters is how things are communicated, what is communicated. What is communicated, how it is communicated. What is communicated is content. How it is communicated is expression. So it comes through sheer practice, not a matter of, not the result of 1 or 2 days. It will take time. But what is important is we should make a beginning. We should start with it. We should start with confidence. So generally 3 paragraphs, nothing but first one is introduction. Second one is explanation, what is the problem, explaining. Last one, conclusion. So I request you to do the needful. So I request you to replace it. So like that we are trying to conclude it. So this is what body of the letter. Next one is complimentary clause. Complimentary clause like thanking you. Thanking you. A polite way of concluding the letter. After that, subscription. Subscription is nothing but yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Then we put a signature, bracket name of the person who is writing the letter. So these are all the steps I like to repeat. First step is sender's address. Next one is date. Next step is receiver's address. Next one is salutation. Salutation is nothing but sir, respected sir, sir, madam. Next comes body of the letter. Body of the letter is generally three things: introduction, explanation, conclusion. What is expressed, how it is expressed, we call it expression, content and expression. Next one is complimentary close, nothing but thanking you. Last one is subscription. So yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Then we put the signature, in bracket we write the name of the person who is sending the letter. So these are the steps involved in writing letters, official letter. So kindly follow these guidelines and try to present proper and effective and simple official letter. Thank you.